Tikom G8000 Pro Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is a versatile and powerful cleaning solution designed to tackle various flooring types with ease. This robotic vacuum cleaner offers a range of features that make it a strong contender in the smart home cleaning market. In this detailed review, we'll explore its design, performance, and overall user experience to help you decide if it's the right fit for your needs. The Tikom G8000 Pro features a sleek and modern design with a compact form factor, making it easy to navigate under furniture and around tight spaces. The vacuum is constructed with durable materials, ensuring longevity and resilience against everyday wear and tear. The combination of black and silver in its color scheme gives it a sophisticated look that can blend seamlessly with any home decor. Setting up the Tikom G8000 Pro is straightforward and user-friendly. The package includes the robotic vacuum, a charging dock, a power adapter, a remote control, a water tank, mop cloths, side brushes, and a user manual. After an initial charge of about 4 or 5 hours, the vacuum is ready to start its first cleaning session. The included user manual provides clear instructions, making the setup process simple even for those new to robotic vacuums. One of the standout features of the G8000 Pro is its 2-in-1 functionality, combining both sweeping and mopping capabilities. This model adopts the latest mopping technology, featuring an electronically controlled water pump and 3 adjustable water output levels. This ensures that the right amount of water is used based on the floor type and the level of dirt, preventing overwetting and potential damage to flooring. The G8000 Pro boasts an impressive 4,500 pascals suction power, which is significantly higher than many of its competitors. This powerful suction allows it to effectively pick up crumbs, dust, pet hair, and other debris from both carpets and hard floors. The vacuum performs exceptionally well in a single pass, reducing the need for multiple cleaning cycles. Equipped with a larger battery capacity, the G8000 Pro can run for up to 150 minutes on a single charge, making it ideal for cleaning larger homes or multiple rooms without interruption. When the battery level gets low, the vacuum automatically returns to its charging dock to recharge. This self-charging feature ensures that the vacuum is always ready for the next cleaning session without manual intervention. The G8000 Pro utilizes Gyroscope smart navigation technology, enabling it to follow an efficient zigzag cleaning path. This methodical approach ensures thorough coverage and improves cleaning efficiency by up to 30% compared to random path robotic vacuums. The smart navigation system helps the vacuum avoid obstacles, navigate around furniture, and cover large areas more effectively. Control and customization are key aspects of the Tikom G8000 Pro. The vacuum is compatible with a dedicated app that allows users to select from 5 different cleaning modes: Smart Clean, Edge Clean, Spot Clean, Random Clean, and Manual Clean. Additionally, the vacuum can be connected to Alexa and Google Home for voice control, adding a layer of convenience for users who prefer hands-free operation. The included remote control offers an alternative for those who may not want to use the app or voice commands. The Tikom G8000 Pro excels in performance across various floor types. On hard floors, it effortlessly sweeps up dirt and debris, while the mopping function leaves the floor spotless without streaks. On carpets, the powerful suction digs deep into fibers to remove embedded dirt and pet hair. The side brushes effectively clean edges and corners, ensuring comprehensive coverage. The vacuum's smart navigation system enhances its cleaning efficiency, allowing it to cover large areas quickly and avoid unnecessary repetition. The G8000 Pro operates relatively quietly, making it suitable for use even when you're at home. Maintaining the Tikom G8000 Pro is simple. The dustbin and water tank are easy to remove and clean, and the side brushes and HEPA filter can be replaced as needed to maintain optimal performance. The app provides notifications for maintenance tasks, such as when to clean or replace filters, ensuring the vacuum remains in top working condition. Tikom offers reliable customer support, with access to online resources such as facts, troubleshooting guides, and video tutorials. The company provides prompt assistance for any issues or questions, ensuring a positive user experience. Pros and cons. Pros. Powerful suction. 14,500 pascals suction power effectively cleans both hard floors and carpets. 2-in-1 functionality combines sweeping and mopping for a comprehensive clean. Long battery life, up to 150 minutes of runtime on a single charge. Smart navigation. Efficient zigzag path cleaning improves coverage and efficiency. Multiple control options, app, voice, and remote control for versatile operation. Quiet operation. Operates quietly, suitable for use at any time. Cons. Initial setup time. Requires time to set up the app and customize settings. Water tank size. The water tank may require refilling for larger mopping tasks. Conclusion. The Tikom G8000 Pro robot vacuum and mop combo offers an impressive blend of powerful suction, intelligent navigation, and versatile control options. Its 2-in-1 functionality, combining sweeping and mopping, ensures a thorough cleaning on both hard floors and carpets. With a long battery life, efficient cleaning path, and smart technology integration, the G8000 Pro stands out as a reliable and efficient cleaning solution for modern homes. Despite minor drawbacks, such as the initial setup time and water tank size, the overall performance and features of the G8000 Pro make it a valuable addition to any household looking to simplify their cleaning routine. If you found this review helpful and informative, please consider liking our video and commenting below with your thoughts or questions. Subscribe to our channel for more reviews.